With the snack in hand, we're gonna step outside to draw by the water. It's the lily factor! Ding! Together we'll create, through the good, the bad, and the ugly.
That's a Tupperware lid, by the way.
Let's explore God's beautiful creation and ultimately turn nothing into something. When I start to slip into a rut, I visit a particular beach and I do a word puzzle or I stare at the beautiful creation, I watch the birds. I always find that it lifts my spirits. So I thought I'd take you guys on a journey through my eyes and perspective of when I visit this particular beach. I'll be sharing my drawing sessions between 2 different days visiting this beach. However, I'll also share some highlights and stuff that were from all kinds of different days, and that'll be more towards the end of the video. What I'm going to mainly talk about here is I'm sharing artwork I made during these drawing sessions that I didn't really finish and I didn't really go all out with because it was just about creating and not the finished product.
There's a seagull right there. Hello! Oh, it's swimming over to me. He's going over there. Hello! Coming up to me. You are, aren't you? Subtle.
Without fail, whenever I visit that beach, there's always a seagull that comes by to keep an eye on me. They're definitely curious birds. As to what I'm drawing right now, I'm just taking random markers and just drawing whatever comes to mind, and I'm not even really thinking that hard about it. And that goes to show, because I ended up drawing a cave with water, which I seem to do very often. I hope that doesn't have any sort of sad underlying meaning. But yeah, I just went wherever my marker took me. And during the time I was drawing, I kept finding seagulls who were dropping clams and consuming them. Oh, now you're not gonna fight now that the camera's on you. Okay.
Bye-bye. You're gonna stay with me, aren't you?
During one point, I noticed something moving around in the water, and it wasn't my paper trying to get the attention of the camera, but it was what seems to be fish jumping out through the water. I guess they were just passing through. So truly during these beach drawing sessions, I don't really get a lot of drawing done, yet I feel really invigorated and inspired after doing so. There's just a lot of inspiration and joy that comes with just being out in nature and enjoying God's creation. Are you kidding me? Stay. That's what I ended up drawing for that day, but then we move on to the next day. And this day I went to this particular beach with my mom. I began quickly sketching in the sketchbook, and this was actually the first day I had ever used the sketchbook, and I also was planning on using watercolors I had just gotten, which I've shared in another art video, and I had gotten them, I believe, that particular day, so I was going to test them out for the first time here, which I did a little bit of, but I just was not feeling inspired drawing-wise. There's a huge spider on your shoe. It was on your shoe, but you kicked your leg in the air, so I have no idea where it went. It wasn't on you, it was on your shoe, but I was trying to get it off before I got on. And that happened while I was filming this drawing. I believe it was my mom and I practicing our own rendition of Who's on First. Both of these drawing sessions, I wasn't very proud of the artwork I made, and I wanted to share the videos while I was out drawing these things, but I just didn't want to share the art, I guess, because I felt like it wasn't complete enough, and I thought, oh, maybe I need to finish that first illustration, even though I really didn't want to. But then, because of my desire to actually put these videos together, just to enjoy that scenery outside, it reminded me that I just enjoy making art videos. It's not necessarily about sharing some grandiose finished product meant to impress the world, because I really don't mean to impress anybody. In fact, if you're unimpressed, then it gives me a good challenge, right? But anyway, so I decided I just want to share these videos anyway, no matter how the art looks and how it's not finished, it doesn't turn out phenomenally, because it's really more about the fun moments you have as an artist, just creating for the fun of it, not for the work of it. Art should be a joy, not a job. So there you go. Now you know I made this video. And after finishing up this drawing, I'm going to share you some highlights of some fun moments I've had visiting this beach. So I'd like to thank you for watching. May God bless you in your life and your art. It's eating rocks. Now, those are definitely crabs. I don't think that's edible. What are you doing?